Sasamba Dance Part 2.
Alright, now, after finishing this part, this is the part B of the choreography of today's class. Now, using both of your legs, right and left, you're going to 1, 2, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 7, 8, and 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, using your right leg, 3, 4, 3, 4. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slide 1, 2. Let's combine all that. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide 1, 2. After sliding, you're going to hit, everybody hit, and step, 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 then right hand on the waist, left hand on the waist, and snap for some money. Then, using your left leg, step, as you move your right hand, and step. Then, using your left hand and your right leg together with your left leg, step, 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 step. Then the last key step is 1, 2, go down, hit, 1, 2, pull. And that's it. Using the same dance on a slow motion to count.
It's